The subject of today's video is Google Ad changes for 2022. They've made some serious changes for 2022. And I'm going to show you how to run an A/B test to see which of these changes works best for you. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experience as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup cost. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, now let's open up my Google Ads. You open this up here. Okay, and as you can see, I've got this campaign running. I've got an A/B test going here. I have Slim T unpinned and Slim T pinned. Let's go into the Slim T unpinned to show you what I mean. Now normally all these headlines here would be pinned in a position. And the reason for that, so they would make more logical sense here as you go through each one. But Google Ads, especially if you're trying to upscale, if you're trying to pour more money in to get more sales, apparently they now favor ads that are unpinned. And they get to choose where this stuff goes themselves instead of you choosing where it goes. That goes against everything I've learned in the past, but you can't fight the Fed, as they say. You can't fight Google. That also goes for the descriptions, unpinned. Normally this would be position 1 and position 2, but I've unpinned them because of this new Google ad policy. Okay, let's go to the normal pinned. This is what normally I would do. Every one of these headlines would be logically pinned in 1, 2, or the 3rd position. The most important headlines, of course, would be in the number 1 position, followed by number 2 and number 3. Like official site would be the 3rd position. And as you can see, when I go forward here, this all makes logical sense. And I really work hard to try and get this order right. And also, the descriptions are pinned, 1 and 2. My favorite description would obviously be 1, and the next one would be number 2. So, I'm running this pinned ad against an unpinned ad for the week, and I'm going to see which does better. Also, another thing that they've changed. Let me go here to the pinned ad into keywords. And my pinned ad, there are no, oh, this is the unpinned. Okay. Oh, this is the, hold on, let me go back here. This would be pinned. Okay. Pinned, there's not going to be any broad matches. I keep this on a very, very tight leash. Also, a lot of the 1 and 2 word things here are things that I don't think would make sense as a phrase are also exact matched. So I'm running a tight ship here on my pinned keywords. Now unpinned, it's a different story. Unpinned, you have your long tail keywords. The best long tail keywords are now broad matched. And again, this is apparently what Google Ads likes for 2022. They like some of your long tail keywords broad matched. So I'm doing that in an A/B test. And then the rest, of course, would be phrase match and there are some exact match too that I think make more sense as exact match instead of phrase match. Okay, so this is really important to be aware of what Google is doing, especially when you're trying to scale up. If you're starting at, you know, 10, 15, 20, $30 a day, and you're making sales and you want to scale up and you want to start spending, you know, $50, $100, $500 a day, going against Google is going to make it tougher. So try the unpinned against your pinned and see what does better. Okay? Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system, and you can find his link below. The best Google ad and clickbait training is with John Crestani and his SAS training program, and his link can be found below. I'm also currently enrolled on both Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, and there you get into business-to-business affiliate marketing with mostly with software products that offer a huge back-end profit. But that's more complicated. Now I'm also partnered with Anthony Morrison, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who's a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2, $1 million words to prove it. Plus Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get any of this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Crestani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, just click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary, and I'll give you a follow-up on how these A/B tests are doing with Google Ads. Now, your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success. Thank you.